This is Hamid. I am from Physics Department, Kangur branch. The first question: any object or particle which is moving from rest. Rest means its initial velocity becomes 0. A particle moving from rest. Moving from rest means its initial velocity. Initial velocity u is equal to 0 meter per second. This is the fixed point. The object moving from rest means nothing but its initial velocity 0 meter per second. Remember, that's it. Next, come to second question. Second question. What is the average speed? Average speed. Average speed. Average means total distance, means total by number of how much time it will take. Generally, the formula for speed, distance by time. Here we are asking about average speed. Average speed, it doesn't mean total distance covered by total time taken. Average speed is equal to total distance by average means total by total, that is total time. Generally speed, distance by time, but they are asking about average. Then we have to follow total distance by total time, right? Next, third question. Now our third question is nothing but a object which is moving from rest, and according to the question we have to write the given data. Okay, object moving from rest means its initial velocity nothing but 0, and it gets some moving with constant acceleration. Constant acceleration, it doesn't mean object moving in a straight line path. Object moving in straight line path. Constant acceleration a, right? And the next, it covers the acceleration in particular time t. Then we have to calculate the average speed. Average speed. Now average speed is equal to, remember the previous question, total distance by total time. Total distance by total time, right? Now distance, what is the formula for distance? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, coming to here, instead of u we have to apply 0. So S is equal to, instead of 0 means this ut becomes 0. So remaining S is equal to half at square, right? And apply this formula here. Total distance, S means how much? Half at square, right? By total time how much? T, by T is equal to half at square by T means at square by 2T. If you want to take cancellation, T get cancelled. Finally we got at by 2. This is our required part. Okay, coming to next question. Next question, in that we have to follow a object which is to be moving, right, in particular second, how much time it covered. Okay, for that they give the data. Fourth one, acceleration a is equal to minus 2 meter per second square, but they give the direction instead of west. Actually they gave 2 meter per second square west. So assume east, west, north, south. Assume east as positive, west as negative. Remember that, because of we are using vector calculation. Vectors, that's why mention the directions. East as positive, west as negative. Then mention as minus here. And they give another quantity. What? Initial velocity u is equal to 9 meter per second towards east. East, it doesn't mean what? We have to mention as plus. Before going to writing the data, remember this sign convention, right? So next we have to calculate the velocity. V is equal to u plus at. U how much? 9 plus a value how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 into t is equal to, here final velocity becomes what? 0. So 9 minus 2t. Take 2t this side. 2t is equal to 9. T is equal to 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5 seconds. But they are asking in 5th second. What is the variation between t is equal to 5th second? Variation between 5 and 4.5, half second. So t is equal to half second. We have to calculate the distance in that half second. Okay. By the given data, we have to follow formula. Distance S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here u value they gave 9. Okay. But here after 4.5 seconds we have to calculate it. Means the initial velocity u value becomes 0. So ut becomes 0. Half into a value how much? Here 2 into t value how much? Variation half. So half into half. 2 to get cancelled is equal to s is equal to 1 by 4 meter, where at t is equal to 4.5 seconds to 5 seconds. The variation between how much? 1/4. So 1 by 4 meters is covered. But in how much distance it covered? Total distance covered. Total distance covered in 5th second. 5th second. So now we have to calculate the 2s. This is s naught. Say s naught for observing the variation. S naught is equal to 1 by 4 meter. We have to calculate 5th second. So 2s naught. 2 into 1 by 4. 2 ones 2 twos is equal to 1 by 2 meters is covered in that half second of 4.5 to 5th second. Right? This is the 4th question solution. Right? Next, coming to 5th question. Fifth question, they are asking a train reaching the station. A train coming to station. Before coming to station, the train is coming very slowly. Means acceleration is going to be down. Acceleration is going to be decreased. That is also called as deceleration. Whenever any object coming to reach the destination, it is coming with a deceleration. Means acceleration is to be getting down. Okay, remember that. That is they gave. We have, first of all, you have to write the given data. Yes, total distance covered. How much? S is equal to 400 meter. Right? Next, they gave the initial velocity u is equal to 54 kmph. In physics, any problem before going to solve, first of all writing the given data and then convert them into same units. Here they gave 400 meters. This is kmph, kilometer per hour. So our required thing, we have to convert into meter per second. For that, 54 into 5 by 18. 18 ones, 18 threes. 3 5. 15 meter per second. This is what initial velocity. Next, they gave time. T is equal to 1 minute. The total distance covered how much? 400 meters. Initial velocity 15 meter per second. T time 1 minute. And we have to calculate the final velocity. V is equal to u plus at. Here after reaching the station, they are applying brakes. Then final velocity becomes what? 0. U value how much? 15. 15 plus a value. We have to what? A value they gave. Yes, they gave how much? A value 0.3 meter per second square. They gave any direction? No, because of deceleration. Deceleration means we are mentioned with minus. Remember that deceleration or retardation. It doesn't have minus a, not plus a. Plus a means acceleration. Deceleration means minus a. That's why I am mentioning here minus. Next, a value how much? Minus 0.3. Minus 0.3 into next t value into t. So we have to calculate the t value here. 15 minus 0.3 into t is equal to 0. Take that is this side. 0.3 into t is equal to 15. T is equal to 15 by 0.3. 3 ones, 3 5s, 5 into 50. So t is equal to 50 seconds. Okay. Next, we have to calculate the total distance, means covering the distance train. So when our object coming to rest, then we have to coming to a total distance covered by up to coming the reaching the final velocity becomes 0. Formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V means 0 minus u 15. 15 whole square 2 into a into s. S is equal to u square by 2a. U square 15 into 15 by 2 into a value minus 0.3. Minus 0.3 already here minus there. So minus get cancelled. 0.3 into 15 is 50. 2 ones to 25. So 15 and 25 means how much? 375 meter. They gave us initially total distance 400 meters. That's one. So resultant distance covered by train. So this is say S2. Resultant distance S is equal to S1 minus S2 is equal to 400. 400 minus 375 is equal to 25 meters. The resultant distance. Train is 25 meters distance away from the signal light. That's it. Thank you.